Hello, my name is Vineel. Today I want to share my topic. My topic is Wumpus World. I am sharing the screen now. Hmm. My topic is Wumpus World. Yeah. Topic is Wumpus World. Generally, Wumpus World consists of a Wumpus and three pits and the breeze. In between the gold is located. The Wumpus World is nothing but Wumpus World is a cave consisting of rooms connected by passageways. Wumpus is nothing but animal. Animal in the Wumpus is a beast or a monster that will eat anyone who enters in the room. The person who enters the room, the Wumpus will eat the Wumpus. The Wumpus will kill the person who enters the room. It will eat by one shot. It can be shot by an agent. The agent can kill a Wumpus, but the agent will have only one arrow to kill a Wumpus. You can see the diagram in the 7.2 figure 7.2. We have some rooms. The rooms contain some bottomless pits. The bottomless pit that will trap anyone except the Wumpus, because Wumpus is which is too big to fall in, because Wumpus is very big. Because of the size of the Wumpus, the Wumpus size is very big. That's why we can't kill the Wumpus. Yeah. The next point is the Wumpus world. The Wumpus world makes an excellent testbed environment for the intelligent agents. Subjected by the Michael Green's. The person who suggested this is a Guinness breath. What he suggested? He suggested that the Wampalmol makes an excellent testbed environment for intelligent agents. Yeah, I am sharing the next slide. I am discussing the topic. The topic is nothing but the task environment piece description. What are the tasks which involved in piece description? I am discussing about the topics. The first topic is performance measure. The in this topic, the rewards will be calculated. The rewards will be like plus 1,000 points. If anyone pick the gold, it will the plus 1,000 points will be added. If anyone falling to pit, or the Wampus will kill that any person who is falling, then the minus 1,000 points will be awarded. Nothing but no. If anyone anything is eaten by the Wampus, then the minus 1,000 points will be awarded. If any action for the next move, some means like some to move any from to here to there, or any action will be action is nothing but moving here or there, performing any task. If you are performing any task, then the minus 1 points will be recorded. If the person is using any arrow, minus 10 points will be awarded. And the next topic is environment. Environment is nothing but there will be 4 by 4 room, which consists of 4 rows and 4 columns. In that, the agent starts in the square level one by one, facing into right. Squares have 20% probability to have a pit. The next topic is actuators. Actuators is nothing but in this the agent will be available. The agent can move forward, turn left by 90 degrees or turn right by 90 degrees. Nothing but the agent will move forward, it will turn right or it will turn left by using the angle 90 degrees. In actuators, some actions will be occurred. Actions is nothing but grab. Grabbing is nothing but to pick up an object or something, to catch something is called a grab. The second one is shoot. While shooting is nothing but we can see in our daily life examples also. Shooting is nothing but we are releasing an arrow. It is nothing but a shoot. Next one is climb. Climbing means we are climbing some trees and something we will see, we can identify. Climbing is nothing but climbing the cave. It is something. And next I am sharing another slide. Yeah. And the next one is sensors. In sensors, there are many examples. The first one is stench. Stench is nothing but a smell. Nothing but a smell. Because if any smell will occur, the Wampus will kill that person or will be ate that person. It's nothing but the stench. The stench is near to Wampus location. Yeah. And the agent will also perfumes, means like the agent can also feel the smell. Smelling is nothing but the stench. And the next one, breeze is nothing but breeze. We can see in the sea, we can see the breezes will come. Yeah, in the breeze, if the breeze will come, then it directly agent to the pit. The agent will receive a breeze because of breeze. This is something a sensors, because we can identify, we can feel it. The sensors is nothing but we can identify or we can feel it. And the next one is glitter. The agent pursues this in the square where the gold is. And the next one is bump. When agent falls into an wall, nothing but when an agent falls into an wall, it will perceive a bump. A bump will pursue when the agent falls. Yeah. And the next one is scream. Wumpus screams when it is killed. It can be pursued anywhere in the cave. Because the Wumpus will roar here and that if anyone, if the Wumpus will see anyone, the Wumpus will kill that one or it will eat. And the percept, yeah, the agent program will give the percept in the form of a list five symbols. For example, I will tell some example you can identify easily. For example, is nothing but if there is a strange and a breeze, yeah, you can identify now if there is a strange or a bit, but there is no availability of glitter, bump, or scream. I will repeat it, but there is no availability of glitter, bump, or scream. The agent perform will get only strength and breathe, and the nothing will be available. And I will tell about the next topic. Next topic is agents movements. In agent movements, A is nothing but it is simply abbreviation. Just we can just for our observation only. I am using this. In the A is agent. And the next one is B is breeze, and the next one is G is glitter all gold. Next one is P means S means strange or smell. V means visited, and W is for all of the know about it. All W is for one person only. You can see in the figure 7.3, this is the first step by the taken by the agent in the Wumpus world, and this is the initial situation after that percept. You can see some values in there at 1.1, 1.4 rows and 4 columns are located in that. This is the first stage. This is the stage one. In this topic, there is no strength or breeze. No strength or breeze in 1 comma. You can see that in the 1 comma 1 there is no strength and there is no breeze, so that the agent can transfer to 1 comma 2 and the beside one is 2 comma 1. That both are we can simply say that if there is something in, if there is no strength or breeze in 1 comma 1, then there is nothing will be in 1 comma 2 the beside values. Suppose I will tell some example. Suppose the agent decides to move to 2 comma 1. I will show in the next diagram. The agent, suppose the agent decides to move from 2 comma 1 the next side. After one move, it will become like the agent detects a breeze, because now the agent will detect a breeze in 2.1. So there be there's so because there is the agent detects a breeze in 2.1, there must be a bit a neighboring square. Okay, I think you can catch this point. The agent detects a breeze in 2.1. The agent detected that the breeze in 2.1, in that beside only something pit will be occur. We can I will You can see the diagram also in the starting when I explained it. The agent detects a breeze in 2 comma 1. If there is a breeze in 2 comma 1, then there is compulsory a pit in that neighboring square. And the next thing that if the breeze is there, there is not be pit in the beside there. That's why it is clearly visible that the pit cannot be in 1 comma 1. Means a 1 comma 1 is nothing but a starting position. There is no pit in that 1 comma 1 starting position. So because of the pit not there in the 1 comma 1, so the pit must be in 2 comma 2 or 3 comma 1 or both. The in the beside of that. There is not there in the 1 comma, it will be there in 2 comma, it will there in 3 comma 2, in the compulsory it will be there. And that predicted agent will turn around it, and it will turn around, it will go back to and again it will go back to 1 comma and then proceed to 1 comma 2. I think you can see in the table also. The predicted value will again turn out to 1 comma and again will proceed to 1 comma 2. Okay, I will continue with the next slide. Yeah, this is the in this there are two stages will be available in the agent. The news perspective 1 comma 2 and the there will be no breeze. There will you can see that the all or none there will be no breeze. In this the stench in 1 comma 2, we can see that in the stench in the 1 comma 2 means there is no wampus nearby. If there is a stench, there will be no wampus. In the near surrounding there will be no wampus. In the neighboring boxes there will be no wampus if the stench is available. We can simply say that, but the both the wampus cannot be in 1 comma 1. If the both because there is a rule that whether both the wampus cannot be in the but the wampus cannot be in the 1 comma 1, there is a rule. and it cannot be in the 2.2 also. We can clearly say that it cannot be in the 2 comma 2 also, or the agent would have detected the strange when it was in 2 comma 1, or otherwise if the Wumpus cannot be in 1 comma 1, because it cannot be in 1 comma 1, because you can see in the clearly identify the rules that the rules of the game say that the Wumpus cannot be in 1 comma 1, and it cannot be in 2 comma 2 also. According to the situation, it cannot be in 1 comma 1, it cannot be 2. Otherwise, if there is there, the agent will detect it as strange when it was in 2 comma 5. And another case is also there. Another case is nothing but the agent would have detected a strange. Strange means nothing but a smell. It when it was in 2 comma 1. I will continue with the next slide. Yeah, it is nothing but there is an agent. And the agent we can infer that the Wumpus in 1 comma 3 as shown in the Wumpus. The agent can infer the Wumpus in 1 comma 3 because of the lack of breeze, because there is no breeze in 1 comma 2 implies there is no pit in 2 comma 4. I firstly clearly explained that if there is a lack of breeze, or if there is a no breeze, if there is a decrease in breeze, then it implies that there is a no pit in 2 comma 8. The pit will be not there in 2 comma 2. So the pit must be in 3 comma 1. You can see in the below figure, beside figure also. If there is no breeze in 2 comma 1, then there is no pit in 2 comma 2. So the pit must be in 3 comma 1 only. We can see I already said that if there is no breeze in 1 comma 2, if there is no breeze, if the availability of breeze is not there in 1 comma 2, it is an indication, it is a symbol, it is a symbol like that there is a no pit in 2 comma 2. So the pit must be available in 3 comma 3. If there is a no pit or no Wumpus in 2 comma 2, so it is okay. We can move to another. We can move to the another box. I will again repeat it. If there is no availability of pit or no availability of Wumpus in the box of 2 comma 2, so we can move forward because there is no pit or no Wumpus. The agent state of knowledge is also saying the same thing, that the 2 comma show is not showing any pit or any Wumpus. We can simply imagine that, imagine nothing but assume that the agent turns and move to 2 comma. When the agent will move to 2 comma 3, you can see in the figure 7.4 in the next in the previous paper. We can see in the previous paper also, if the agent moves and turns into 2 comma 3, if the agent moves and turns into 2 comma 3, it is not 2 comma 3. This is, you can calculate, this is the fifth move. After this move, with the percept, with along with the percept only, we should move to the fifth move. With percept only, we could not move without the percept. After, with the percept only, we should have to the move to the fifth move. After moving, there will be, we can simply say that there will be stench and breeze and glitter will be available. After, when we move to the fifth move, there will be stench, breeze and glitter will be available. In 2 comma 3, the agent pursues a glitter. You can see in the 2 comma 3, in this diagram it is clearly visible that in the 2 comma 3, the agent pursues a glitter. If the agent will pursue a glitter, so it can be grab the gold. If the agent pursues a glitter, it should grab the gold and thereby to end the game. If the agent pursues a glitter, it should grab the gold and thereby end the game. Yeah. And I will continue the previous topic, that the agent can transfer the Wumpus in the 1 comma 3. The lack of breeze means, if there is no breeze, in the, or if there is the decrease in breeze, it implies that there is no pit in 2 comma 2. I am repeating it. If the lack of breeze there is an availability of breeze or a decrease in breeze in 1 comma 2, we can simply say that there is no pit in 2 comma 2. So the pit must be in 3 comma 1. We can simply say that the pit must be in 3 comma 1. There is neither a pit or Wumpus in 2 comma. If there is no pit or no Wumpus in 2 comma 2, we can move forward. We can move here and there. We can simply say that if there is no pit or no Wumpus in 2 comma 2, we can move forward. And in the next point, then the agent state of knowledge at 2 comma 2 is not shown. Assume that if the agent turns and moves to 2 comma 3, we can see in the figure 7.4 also in the previous paper. If the agent turns and moves to 2 comma 3 in the given figure, and then the move is nothing but after the fifth move, when the Wumpus or something, it is moving to fifth move, it will move along with the percept only. If the it will move should it should be moved with the bumpers in the fifth move only. Then we can identify some strength and bleed and glitter. In 2 comma 3, in the 2 comma 3, when the agent pursues a glitter, when the agent receives a glitter, so it should grab the gold and thereby end the game. So this is my PPT. Okay, I hope you like it.